Kansas will soon have what may be the most sweeping transgender law in the U.S.
The governor had vetoed the legislation called the Women's Bill of Rights, but lawmakers voted to override her decision.
New at 6, Jaya Brown is here to explain. Jaya?
Rachel Jacob, the bill bans transgender and non-binary women from using restrooms associated with their gender identities. Other states have done this too, but most of the laws only apply to schools. The Kansas law is much broader.
This is one of the most, I would say, extreme anti-trans bills in the country right now.
The Women's Bill of Rights, also known as the SB 180 bill.
It's the state's official policy that people in Kansas are to be regarded by whatever their sex assigned at birth was.
It's said to be a life-changing decision for members of the LGBTQ community.
Not only does it cover bathrooms, but it covers everything from rape crisis centers, domestic violence shelters, puts a ban on changing your gender marker or name on your government identification.
Though the language of the bill is vague, transgender Kansans say they believe it is designed to functionally erase their identities in society.
Very angry about this bill because it just basically wipes them out of existence, and that we shouldn't be doing to anybody, especially marginalized communities. We should be supporting them, not trying to erase them.
An identity that many transgender Kansans say they fought for.
In my case, starting this journey was literally a matter of life or death.
I feel like I didn't really have an identity until I came out and started transitioning. You can look at old pictures of myself and there's just not a lot of light in my eyes. You can look at new pictures and I look happier, I look healthier even.
The new law goes into effect on July 1st. It's argued that they're responding to people's concerns about transgender women sharing bathrooms, locker rooms, and other spaces with women and girls. They repeatedly promised that the bill would not prevent that. The Kansas law also applies to prisons, domestic violence shelters, and rape crisis centers.